Hey guys, what up? It's me again. Whatever, who cares? Okay, I don't know what the to say. This is the second part of a two-part series. No, I'm kidding. I did a video right before this detailing how I do my foundation because I have rosacea, dry skin, acne, you know, God blessed me. If you guys haven't checked that out, please check it out right now. I'll put a link above. I'll put a link up above. I don't know! Can I relax? Today we're gonna do like a glam look, okay? So I put my earrings in because I'm like so glam. All right, so let's just get into it. I haven't done anything, ever. I'm gonna go with my Urban Decay palette by Born to, I'm gonna go in with my Born to Run by Urban Decay palette. This is like one of my favorite palettes ever, for real. I always tell you guys how much I love it. If you're gonna spend some money with one palette, I would recommend this palette because there are colors, except it's super neutral, and especially if you're starting out, there aren't that many colors that like really scare the shit out of you. I'm just gonna do like these mattes. Now with Soft Glam, a lot of the times it's like super neutral. It's just super pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna prime my eyes today. Smashbox Photo Finish. I just take this on my fingers and just put it all over. If you guys know me or if you guys have seen my hooded eye tutorial, I have to prime my freaking eyes or else everything will crease. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a pencil brush. This is Delium Tools in 716. Now you guys can take whatever pencil brush. If you guys see, it's like pointed. Oh my God, it's focused. Hello. I'm gonna dip this into Riff, which is this like tannish shade. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the outer corner and just pull it back. And do you see just how with like that little flick, it already makes me look super cute? And we're just gonna build it up. So really go super close to your lash line. And I like to just kind of blend as I'm doing it. Cute. Since we have foundation and we can't just like keep dragging it because it's going to take off all our foundation, so I just kind of lightly blend it, because remember that eyeshadow's sitting on top, so you don't have to like really dig in there because you're going to mess up with layers. So in order to just blend it, you just have to touch that first layer. You don't have to go through all the layers. Does that make sense? And do you guys see with just that, I look like Kendall Jenner now. Now I'm gonna go in with Good Is Gone. Since it's a lot darker, be a lot more careful. Ooh, I'm scared. I don't want any fallout. Okay, whatever. I had to switch mirrors because the other one's way too big. And you guys, I'm doing it literally so messy. And it's okay. And I'm just gonna take it with my finger and just blend. Then blend out the sides. Do you see how nice and smoked out that is? It's so pretty. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take... Okay, so I'm gonna take my bronzer. Oh shit. And I'm just gonna swirl it around in here. And then I'm gonna look down and put this on my crease. Now, since I have a hooded lid, I have to go slightly above just to kind of like fake a little bit of a crease. And I'm gonna blend that out over here. So make sure it meets up. Okay. I'm gonna take some and then put it at the edges over here. And just so I can blend in that liner with the shadow. And you guys, it's literally all about blending. I feel like I'm going so fast, but this is legit gonna be one of the easiest things. So if you guys haven't tried like to do like a glam look, please do this one and let me know how it goes, because as you guys can see, like it already like is changing my eyes. And then I'm gonna go back in with my pencil brush and just take a little bit more of that dark color right over here and just to smoke it out again. And then just take my finger and blend. You see how pretty that is? And it's so simple. If you guys have trouble doing liner, like gel liner or liquid liner or whatever, this is a great start because it gives you the appearance of having that nice line without it being too harsh. And if you mess up, literally just go in with your finger. Like, it's okay. And what I decided is I'm gonna take, okay, I couldn't open it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of Riff on my fluffy brush and just go back in on top, because I just want to make that a little bit darker. You see? Oh wow, who is she? I know she's not me. You guys give this a thumbs up if I look like Kendall Jenner. I'm gonna have like a million dislikes. Whatever. Okay, and then with the same fluffy brush, let's go take some more riff. If you guys don't have a flat brush, what I do is I put my finger right over here, so I kind of make it into my own flat brush. And then let's go underneath. And then when I have like that line, do you guys see how it's like just like a nice little shade? I'm gonna blend that out completely. Cute face. If you guys are just starting out too, you can do it like this, like legit squish it down like this. But I think that's like a little bit more difficult. So just smush it down with your middle finger or whatever finger. When you put it on, it's gonna squish the other side too. Or just get a flat brush. Now let go of the brush and just blend and kind of blend back. And you guys, with glam looks, it's all about blending, I promise. Because with glam looks, like you want it to look like soft and blended and beautiful, whatever. I think the whole point is for people to be like, oh my god, they look amazing, instead of being like, damn, he or she has too much makeup on, you know what I mean? Whenever you blend and you guys don't have harsh lines, it legit just like kind of like reinforces like that softness, that glow, all that shit. Oh my god, how pretty is that? And it's so easy. So we're gonna go back in with that same palette, and I'm gonna take, let's see, Weekender I think is good. Yeah, I'm gonna take Weekender right over here, and I'm just gonna take that on my finger and put it on the inside. And we want to build this up. All right, so take your fluffy brush and blend out where they meet. So over here. I would say that's pretty cute. Pretty cute. I'm gonna go back in with my pencil brush, go back into Good Is Gone, the dark brown that we used, and just kind of fill it in again. Let's see, so there's a black over here. I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna take a lip brush, a concealer brush, whatever. Just make sure it's a little bit more flat, so make sure it's flatter than a flat brush. And I'm just literally gonna stamp it on my waterline. And just blend that in with the brown that we were working on. Holy moly! And then what you guys can do is take your finger and just blend it out. Blending out shadow is going to be so much easier than blending out gel, blending out pencil, blending out liquid, that's for damn sure. And do you see how it gives like a nice little smoke? That's exactly what we want. That's exactly what I want. Oh my god, I'm sorry if you hear my stomach about to growl. Oh my god, I'm hungry. I'm like trying this new thing where I don't eat like complete shit.
Just try a little taste.
And so far it's working. Anyways, okay, so that's gonna be our eye. I feel like that was like the easiest eye I've ever done. You know what, just to spice up life, I'm gonna take our dark brown and just stamp underneath. And really blend out, because I don't want this to look like super defined either. All right, and since I'm gonna put lashes on, I'm not gonna use a waterproof mascara. I'm gonna use Monsieur Big by Lancome, and I'm not gonna curl my lashes either, because what I find is that whenever you curl your lashes and then put lashes on, like fake lashes on top, it's such a bitch, because since they're curled, you have to like go all the way back and try to put them in. That was being dramatic, I'm sorry. So when you don't curl your lashes, it's easier to put them on, and then if you want them to like blend in together, then put mascara on, brush them together. There are a million things to do. I mean, if you want to curl your lashes, I feel like I'm saying curl wrong, then do it, but I would say if you're just starting out, or if you find that it's hard for you, try not doing that and then seeing how it goes. But yeah, I'm not gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna put on just regular mascara, not waterproof. All right, so now that my little stubs are coated, I'm gonna wait for them to dry, and as I wait for them to dry, I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm gonna go in with my EUCERIN eyebrow pencil and make sure you brush them. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys a little trick that I do at work. because I got time today. So this is just literally regular soap. It's glycerin soap. Can you guys see through it? That was so lame. I can't believe I did that.
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
You can see through it, and that's exactly what you want. You guys can take water. This has mixing liquid in it, but you can just take legit water. And I'm gonna do 2 sprays. You guys can see it in there. And do you see how it's making a mess? The f? And do you guys see how it like looks like a super ugly wax? That's exactly what we want. And I'm gonna put that like waxy part on my brows. And do you guys see the difference between my brows? These bitches will literally stay put all day. I can't stand having unkempt eyebrows in photos. Like whenever I see a picture of mine that I did and the eyebrows are kind of off, it like ruins my day. So I use soap brows to do it. Now I remember I saw this on YouTube like a while ago and I was like, oh my god, I would never do that. Like I just didn't try it. Then like I think like a year ago my friend was like, yeah, I use soap brows, and I was like, what? Like people actually like do this? Like I couldn't believe it. And I've been doing it ever since, and you guys, it is a miracle. For real, it's seriously a miracle. And by the way, I was using this on a spoolie, and you guys can just get this like online for like 10 bucks for like 500 pieces, for real. So I kind of have shitty brows. I like my brows when they're done. I just need to fill and tweak them in a little bit. However, there are some people that are just blessed with beautiful bushy ass brows. Bushy. I love that word, by the way. Oh my god, whenever you put soap in their brows and like make them go up, oh, you guys.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
I like love it. I mean, I know I was born to be a makeup artist for real, because there is just some things that like I absolutely love. Whenever there's a bushy brow and I get to like just comb it and groom it, oh my god.
Every second of it. Every second of it. I love it. Well,
It's like that feeling of satisfaction and just love and joy. No, but for real, it's like, it's the best feeling. Okay, anyways, now that I'm done with that, now we can go in with my pencil brush, and I'm just gonna fill in where I want them to be a little bit thicker. Oh my god, this is crazy, right? Isn't this so cute? I almost like never do soap brows on myself, and so I haven't really seen myself with like super voluminous and bushy brows. I don't think I would do this all the time just because it's so annoying with like the soap, and then if I didn't have to fill in my brows, bitch, I would do this before bed, and I think they look awesome, but for me they're like so like annoying. Now that that's done, we're gonna put on lashes. All right, so I'm just gonna take any pair of lashes. These are Shy lashes, and always make sure to put on more glue at the ends, because that's where they tend to fly up more. So if you're just doing this on yourself and not on a client, I always just blow them. So dumb. And then I always just look down. I put them on in the center first, and then I start working on the outside and then work on the inside. Do you guys see the difference? Oh my god. Do I look shy? And then I always just take tweezers at the end, these pointy ass tweezers that I'm like scared to put by my eye, but I do anyway. And I make sure that they're like fully together. I'm scared right now. It's okay if you see the white for right now, because we're gonna go back in there. This time not with liquid liner, but we're gonna go in with pencil and just kind of darken it up. Look down, place on the center first. Then I like to go on the outside, then on the inside. And then I don't know why for this eye, I always need tweezers. My lashes are on and my eye is watering. Damn it. Okay, so a huge thing with the Soft Glam look is bronzer. Now, bitch, you want to be bronzed like you live in Bali, girl. So I'm just going to take my MAC palette. Now, I made this myself. I'm just going to mix these two together with a little hint of this. So these are cooler bronzers, and then this is like a warm orange color. And I just like to stamp it on it first and then swirl. And we want to be super bronzed. And we want to go up here. I'm gonna get my nose. I'm gonna get underneath my lips. Under my double chin. Okay. And I would just get my neck, but I'm wearing a turtleneck, so whatever. All right, now a very important step is to take your beauty blender with the excess foundation on it and just start blending, because you just want to tie it all in together. You're not trying to hide what you did. You just want to tie it in and blend it. And like I said, I already have foundation and concealer on. That's why I only put on bronzer right now. But obviously, you do you. Now, next is lips. So I'm gonna take my favorite baby in the world. This is Stone by MAC. And a huge thing with the soft glam look is overdrawing your lips. Obviously, we know that's a huge trend right now, but a lot of people like don't try to do it because like I feel like they're scared or something. I swear to God, it's super easy, and I'm gonna make it a lot easier for you because I just always blend it out. I take Stone and it's a super gray brownie taupey color. If you just look at me, it's gonna look like an actual shadow. You guys see where I'm putting it? Like underneath my actual lip. It's still my lip, but it's just the very outside of it. And then I'm gonna stretch my lips and just blend. All right, now we're gonna do the upper lip. Now you guys can do the X. So the X is, literally make an X like this. Do you guys see the X kind of? And then I just blend it all out. Like literally take your finger and just blend. Who cares? All right, now do you see how it's like a nice little shadow? And it legit made my lips look like so much fuller. Now we're just gonna go over it again. And then you can draw a line down the middle to give you a more pouty look. So I'm gonna take this other lip liner by Essence, and I don't know the name of it just because like they come with like these importation stickers. It's like a mauve-y pink, and I'm just gonna go on top of what I just did, but super light. And I think the most important thing to do is that when you are overdrawing your lips, make sure your corners meet still to your natural lip. So it's kind of like you let your lips like go to the party, like you let them have a good time, but bitch, you gotta come back home. You know what I mean? Damn, our lips look a lot fuller. Most soft glam looks, they have like nude colors or nude lips. So I'm gonna take, this is Look Out by MAC, and it's a liquid lip. While it's still wet, I'm gonna take my Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline and just go on top of that and just blend it in with my finger. All right, I'm just gonna clean up around it, squeeze, so squeeze it and just go around. And so one of the last things we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my pencil liquid, oh my God, my pencil liquid. I'm gonna take my pencil liner, and you see how our lashes kind of end abruptly? I wanna fill that with black just so it kind of ties in the fake lashes together. So make sure to get that corner right here. Do you see how it's like more connected, and I feel like it kind of flows better, but maybe that's just me. You guys don't need to do this. I think that's the final freaking look. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thank you so much. Please make sure to like and subscribe because it really does help me out. I have no idea how liking this video helps me out. I don't know if it's the algorithm, but I guess it's a really good thing to do. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you guys stay safe, stay warm or cold or happy or whatever. Stay safe, stay happy, and if you guys need anything, let me know. Such a cancer. Thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Love ya. Bye. I feel like that bitch, that Brady bitch. Ah.